In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your video's color palette in Renderforest. Let's get started by heading to the Renderforest website. Open your browser and go to www.renderforest.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your secure credentials. If you're already signed in, you'll land on the homepage. From the homepage, look at the left-hand panel and click on Projects. This takes you to your project library, where you can see all the videos you've been working on. Find the project you want to update and open it by clicking its thumbnail or title. Give the editor a moment to load everything, especially if your project includes multiple scenes or higher resolution media. Inside the editor, focus on the left menu. Look for an option labeled Colors or Color Palette. It may vary slightly depending on the template you're using, but it serves the same purpose. Click it to open your color controls. Here you'll see the current color scheme that's applied across your project. To make a change, click on one of the color swatches. This opens a color selection tool. You can either pick a new shade visually or enter a specific hex code if you want a precise brand color. A quick tip. A hex code is a 6-character value that starts with a pound sign, like number 123 ABC. Using exact codes helps keep your branding consistent from one video to the next. After choosing your new color, click Apply. This tells the editor to push that color through the project. Depending on the template, the change may affect backgrounds, text accents, icons, and other design elements. If something doesn't change, it might be controlled elsewhere in the template, so focus on the colors that do update to maintain a cohesive look. When you're ready to see how it all comes together, click Preview. Renderforest will generate a quick preview to show your updated colors in action. This can take a moment, especially for longer projects, so let it process. As you watch the preview, check for contrast and legibility. Make sure text is easy to read against backgrounds and that important elements stand out. If something looks off, simply return to Colors or Color Palette, adjust the swatch or hex code, click Apply again, and preview once more. That's it. By navigating to your project, opening the color controls, selecting or entering your new shades, and applying and previewing, you'll update your video's color palette with confidence and consistency.